Good day, everyone. I am Paul Luis Padillo, and today I'm going to discuss future trends in risk management, emer- emerging risks in the hospitality industry, predictive analytics for risk management, preparing for future challenges. The hospitality industry is facing a rapidly evolving risk landscape, and staying ahead of emerging threats is essential. So, the hospitality industry is experiencing fast changes which is shaped by the technology na to karon sa global challenges and the changing consumer expectations. So, sa atong pag-ready or prepare sa ani mga risk, naghatag ni nato og strategy na makatabang nato in facing the risk. Here are some key future trends in risk management for the industry with a focus on emerging risks and how predictive analytics can help prepare for future challenges. Emerging risks in the hospitality industry. So first, cybersecurity threats. With the growing use sa mga digital platforms para sa mga bookings, payments, guest service sa hotels and the other hospitality businesses, mao ang main or prime na target sa mga cyber attacks. Kining cyber attacks mao ni ang mga attempt sa mga hackers. The data breaches can compromise the customer's information and may lead to reputation damage. For example, in 2018, Marriott International usa ni siya nga company nga nag-operate og hotels and resorts worldwide. Naka-experience na sila og dako nga data breach nga nag-expose og mga personal na information sa ilahang guest na moabot og 500 million ka buok, included na ilahang names, credits card detail o mga passport number. Next is health and safety risk. So, after the pandemic, the health and safety standard maintain and stays high. This includes the sanitations, contactless technology and mga protocols para ma-manage ang potential na health crisis. Then, ang sunod is supply chain disruption. The global chain issues, whether it is from geopolitical tensions sa climate impacts or logistical bottleneck, is nag-cause og mga risk para sa hospitality services sa mga nag-rely sa mga imported good and seasonal supplies. Example, geopolitical tensions sa Russia ug Ukraine. Ang conflict sa Russia ug Ukraine naghatag og conflict sa pag-export like sa mga grain ug wheat, which is nagresulta og pagmahal sa presyo sa harina ug uban pang product nga nakaapekto sa menu sa hotel o mga restaurant. Also, it cause na nagkuwang ang mga imnonon. Next is climate change and sustainability risk. The environmental changes brings extreme weather like sa atong experience og na-feel karon. Resource scarcity and increasing regulations around sustainable practices, making resilience and adaptability critical. Example, ang mga calamities na atong na-experience karon is naka-affect sa tourism like sa wildfire sa California o Australia. na nakaka-cause na temporary na pag-close sa mga hotel and resorts. Then lastly is the social and cultural shift. The changes sa consumers' expectations para sa personalized, ethical o inclusive na mga services na naka-cause og pressure para sa hospitality brands para sa ma-change og dali. Let's move to the next topic, predictive analytics for risk management. So first, data-driven decision making. The predictive analytics can help hospitality businesses to identify the patterns and matagnaan ang mga posibleng risks by analyzing large amounts of data sa behavior sa customer, market trends o sa operation performance. Example, ang mga hotels and resorts kay gigamit ang data analytics para ma-monitor ang mga preference behavior o past interaction sa customers aron ma-personalize ilahang mga offer. Next is predictive maintenance. So, using the IoT and predictive analytics, hotels may monitor equipment in real time, anticipate failures, and schedule preventive maintenance, reducing cost and ensuring a smooth guest experience. The next is demand forecasting. The predictive analytics can refine the demand forecasting sa pag-factor sa mga variable like sa mga seasonality, events, and sa external economic conditions. So, this help optimize staffing, inventory, and service and availability. Then, the guest risk profile. So, by analyzing sa past guest behavior o sa mga preference, ang predictive models can flag high-risk guests such as sa mga naay posibilidad nga naay gubot or damage that enabling product risk mitigation. Example, by analyzing past guest behavior, apil na ang mga interaction sa staff, mga reklamo, o mga negative na review. Pwede na makatabang na ma-ensure na ang guest has a positive experience and also aron ma-reduce ang conflict. Then the last topic is preparing for future challenges. So first is building a resilient workforce. It is much important that the training staff to be adaptable, agile, and responsive. Ang cross-training and flexible staffing models can help manage fluctuations sa demand. Example, pwedeng mag-cross-train ang mga hotels and resort sa mga employees aron they can handle different roles and duties. So, it ensure na ang operations will be continue smoothly even if kung ang certain departments experiences staffing storage or surges sa demand. Then the next is investing in technology. From digital check-ins to AI-driven guest service, the technology can help mitigate the risk and streamlines o mapapaspas ang operations. The cybersecurity investment are so much important. Next is the scenario planning and simulations. The regular scenario planning exercise can help na mahibaw-an ang mga weaknesses or vulnerabilities and to improve the response plan para sa mga nagkalain-lahi na sitwasyon from natural disaster to sudden demand drops. Example, pwede na maghimo og scenario plans o exercises agi sa ka hotel change para ma-prepare sa mga kalamidad like bagyo, linog, baha, This planning helps hotels and resorts react quickly and efficiently kung naa may kalamidad. Lastly is the sustainability practices. And embracing the sustainable practices is not just addresses environmental risk but also na-align sa nagabag-o sa value sa consumer. Example sa energy efficient operations o sa local sourcing is pwede ra na makuhaan og gasto and attract eco-conscious customers.